Hello, in this video I want to show you how to connect wireless network with Sony Blu-Ray. And to do this we'll need to click on the setup in the top right corner of the screen. Here scroll down to network settings and enter them. Then select internet settings. Here you can choose to do the wired or wireless setup. I'm gonna go with the wireless because I want to connect the Wi-Fi network. Now it will search for all available networks, so just wait a few moments. And here we have it, we found all of the networks available. Click on the network that you have the password for. And now enter that password. And we've successfully connected ourselves with the internet. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.